Hello and welcome to LearnPythonTutorial.com. Today we're going to talk about the Mac OS X terminal commands. Though it's not necessary to know terminal commands to learn Python, in these tutorials we will use terminal commands because they will help you along your way. So I just want to discuss a few of them to make following along a little bit easier, and in the future will help you with your programming needs. So first off, let's discuss where to find the terminal. The terminal is located within your applications, utilities folder. So let's open our Finder. Let's go to applications and then utilities, and there's your terminal. There is a easier way to open this though, instead of going through that step. I know that was pretty quick, but there's easier ways to do things, and I'm lazy. So let's go ahead and close our Finder, and let's hit Command Spacebar. Type in terminal, hit return, and there's our terminal. Um, so yours is gonna look different unless your name's Thomas and you got a MacBook Pro and you're in the Tommy user file, which I can show you real quick where we're located, because this is going to be the first command we're going to learn, is print working directory. So pwd. Hit return. It says users Tommy. So right here is the current file we're in. And then the $sign indicates a line command, where our line command will begin. So uh, we just saw the first command we're going to learn today, and that's pwd, print working directory. That will show you your current location. The next one we're going to learn is ls, list out what's in these folders, basically. ls, hit return. We got applications, downloads, pictures, creative cloud files, library, public, desktop, movies, documents, and music. Cool. That's, everything that's in that Tommy file. So, how about I want to go into my desktop? How would I do that? Let's do CD desktop. We're going to change into our desktop, and let's list out what's in there. ls. Before I do that, let's print working directory so you can see where we're at. Users Tommy desktop. And let's do ls to see what's in there. I got a Django file, movies, videos, learn Python, projects, web development notes, manage.py, Python, and wizard.py. Cool. Yours is obviously going to have something different, unless you clone my computer. But that's how we change directories, and that's how we list out stuff. So let's say we want to make a directory or make a folder. Let's do mkdir, and we'll name it test. Hit return, and then let's hit ls to see what's in there. And you can see right here we got test. Awesome. We have created a new folder called test. How about let's make a new file? But first off, I want to put that file in our test folder. So let's go ahead and change into that. So we do cd, nope, not vd, cd, test. Hit return, and let's see what's in there. Oh, there's nothing in there. Let's make a file for that. So we're going to do touch, and we'll do test.py. Hit return, and now let's hit ls again to see what's in there. Oh, there's a test.py. Cool, we made a Python file. But you know what? I don't need that file. I'm going to create it a different way. Let's remove it. To remove the file, we do rm test.py. Hit enter or return, and then let's list it out. And there's nothing back in that file. Alright, well, we don't want the test folder either. So to do that, we need to change back into our desktop. So to go backwards when changing directories, we do cd dot dot. Hit return. Now we're in our desktop. List it out. And we got test right here. Cool. So what we did was we changed directories with dot dot, which brought us back into the desktop, and then we did ls to list out what was in there. We got test. We want to remove the test folder, so we do this by doing rm dir, remove directory, and you put in the name test. Hit return, and now let's list out what's in there to make sure it removed it. Scrolling through here, I do not see the test folder anymore. Awesome, we removed that. Well, now my terminal's getting a little clogged up with all this stuff, so let's go ahead and clear it. To do that, let's do, you can type clear and hit enter or return, and it will clear your terminal. Or let's see where we're at again, pwd. Alright, we're in users Tommy desktop. Cool. But I want to be in Tommy. But first, before I do that, I want to go into check out my Python. Let's see what's in our desktop so you can see what I'm saying. I got a Python folder. I want to go check out that folder. So I'm going to do change directory, Python. I'm going to go in that folder. Let's see what's in there. I got cat, cool stuff, list, projects, chapter 3, games, networking. Alright, pretty cool. We got a bunch of folders. But you know what? I want to go back to my main folder. So to do that, let's first see where we're at. We'll hit pwd. So I want to go back to Tommy. I'm in desktop Python. So do I have to type cd dot dot and then get to desktop and then cd dot dot and then to Tommy? No, we can do cd dot dot backslash dot dot, and this will take me to Tommy. Hit return ls. Alright, that looks like my home, so let me hit pwd to make sure, and users backslash Tommy. So basically, guys, that is the simple terminal commands we are going to be using in our Python tutorials. If there's any different ones that I come across or I might use in one of our tutorials, I'll be sure to point it out. But these are the simple ones that you'll be using a lot, so I just wanted to point them out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them on our YouTube page or on our website at learnpythontutorial.com. We'll be sure to help you out. If you'd like to learn more terminal commands, there's millions of videos and websites out there. Just go ahead and Google it, terminal commands for Mac OS X, and you will come up with a bunch of them. I just showed you a short list. That we'll be using. So. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, check out our next tutorial.